Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a drone frame. First, consider your drone's purpose to select the right frame type, like a quadcopter or hexacopter. Then, choose durable materials such as carbon fiber or aluminum for strength and weight. Finally, decide on the frame size, typically ranging from 250 mm to 600 mm, which impacts stability and payload capacity. Next, create a detailed design for your frame, whether with CAD software or precise hand sketches. Accuracy here is key. Once your design is finalized, carefully cut your chosen material, like carbon fiber sheets, to match the exact dimensions. Don't forget to drill all the mounting holes for your motors and flight controller. Now it's time to assemble the main frame components. Use appropriate fasteners, such as screws and standoffs, to join the pieces securely. Double-check that all connections are tight and the frame feels rigid, without any flex. Finally, attach the landing gear and any vibration-dampening elements to protect your electronics. For the final steps, thoroughly verify the frame's structural integrity and ensure it is well-balanced. Then, carefully mount your motors, electronic speed controllers, and the flight controller onto the frame. Perform a comprehensive final inspection of all connections and components before you even think about adding propellers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.